Social media marketing, that's our topic for today. Hi, I'm Augie Anderson with Real Pro Virtual Marketing. I am with my good friend Carol Sanic with Social Butterfly Media Marketing. I actually met Carol online before I ever met her in person, right, Carol?
Yes.
Where did we meet in person? Do you remember?
Yes, I do. It was the night before Rebar Camp in Orlando 2 summers ago.
That's right. So the reason I came to Carol today is because Carol's been doing social media now for a few years, and I think she has a great pulse on some of the challenges that small businesses are facing. Tell me, Carol, what are some of the challenges that small businesses are facing with social media marketing?
They're afraid to dive in. They're afraid to take that first step. They don't know how to set up a page. They don't know how to set up any kind of the social media platforms. They're afraid it's going to cost them money. They're afraid that it's just for the young at heart, when in truth and reality, it's for everybody. As a matter of fact, it's one of the easiest ways to get your name out there and become known.
And a lot of the small businesses that I'm encountering, they don't realize maybe their setups will have some cost, but after that, there's really very little cost on having a Facebook page, a YouTube channel, none of the Pinterest. None of these really have a monthly cost associated to them. So that kind of makes me wonder, why are they avoiding that? And I know you said the fear. How do we get them more engaged and to trust?
Well, they seem to think that it's like a dating service. It's not a dating service. You are putting yourself out there, and I tell all my customers that there is a rule I go by. It's an 80-20 rule. I want you online on a social media platform with 80% about you to build trust, and then I want 20% about your business, because people don't want to be sold, but they will buy.
Oh, isn't that true? And even something that's been hard for me to embrace, being a salesperson for so long, is it's not about selling, it's about sharing. And I think that's hard for people to get their head wrapped around. What is sharing versus selling and spammy and all that stuff? What's your thoughts on that?
Well, that's a good point, because sharing, I think, for some people is very difficult. So I help people make the transition between what is too much information, what's just the right amount of information, because people aren't going to do business with people they don't trust. So the trust factor is the first thing we focus on, and that's why I call myself a social media PR person, because I am there to make them look good.
And I think you're doing a swell job at it, Carol. I think that our relationship, Carol is one of our preferred partners at Real Pro Virtual Marketing. We're delighted to have her. If you'd like to have more information about Carol, there's a link below and how you can get involved, engaged with all of us here at Real Pro Virtual Marketing. This is Augie Anderson signing off. We'll be seeing you on the web.